Have you ever wondered what would happen if you started drinking clove water every night before bed? Most people use cloves only for cooking, but this tiny spice is actually a powerful natural remedy packed with amazing health benefits. Drinking clove water at night can transform your health in ways you may never expect. First, cloves are rich in antioxidants and contain a powerful compound called eugenol. This compound helps fight harmful free radicals in your body and supports your immune system. That means drinking clove water regularly may help your body stay stronger against infections and diseases. Second, clove water can help improve digestion. If you often experience bloating, stomach discomfort, or slow digestion, clove water may help stimulate digestive enzymes and make it easier for your body to break down food. Another powerful benefit is better oral health. Cloves have natural antibacterial properties that help fight bacteria in the mouth. This is one reason cloves are commonly used in dental care and may help reduce bad breath and support healthy gums. Clove water may also help regulate blood sugar levels. Studies in the field of nutritional science suggest that cloves may improve insulin function, which could be beneficial for people trying to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. And here's something interesting. Drinking clove water at night may also support better sleep and reduce inflammation in the body. Its natural compounds can help relax the body and support overall wellness while you sleep. So how do you make clove water? It's very simple. Just take 4 to 5 cloves, add them to a cup of hot water, and let them soak for about 10 minutes. Drink it warm before bedtime for the best results. However, remember that moderation is important. Drinking too much clove water may cause irritation for some people. Nature often hides powerful medicine in small things, and cloves are a perfect example. So tonight, before you go to bed, try a cup of clove water